Hello shoulder riders, we were at that waterfall, Xamã waterfall, and now we are gonna go to another one. We are gonna continue going up the hill, and we are gonna get to another waterfall, meet another one. So tell us in the comments what you guys think of this place here. If you like nature, if you like waterfalls like this, if you like this constant contact with nature, and if you like diving into these very cold waters, which is a very good thing, especially if we have sun rays like this one. Today is the weather is very good for this kind of thing, so we love it very much.
Look the view.
Yeah, the view is very good. Look at this view here. Yes, a very nice place for you to come and visit here in Alto Paraíso de Goiás City, Goiás State, Brazil.